Hey y'all, Alyssa here. I was looking for some websites to use for like math practice, and so I Googled best free math websites for elementary kids, and it populated a couple I was familiar with. So number two on that list was ABC. Um, this website is rad. Um, it is so cool. So when you can get on there and you can search by grade, you can search for it by content standard, you can search by subject, you can search by holiday or theme or whatever in the whole wide world. So not only do they have math, practices, they also have like ELA stuff and color pages and handouts. They have a whole section for teachers, a whole section for parents, and a whole section for kids. And so I just played around on some of the things like in second grade, because that's where I'm hoping to student teach, that I know where kiddos struggle because I was a math aide before I decided to embark on this journey. And so I was playing around with money and time games, because kiddos, until they really get a good grasp on that, they struggle. And those are two extremely important things that we need in our everyday life. And they were so fun. I was on there for, we won't discuss that. So I was on there for a good hot minute. It was fun. It kept my attention. I showed my girls. They thought it was cool. Um, and so it covers um, the ISTE standards 2.6, the facilitator, 2.6B and 2.6C. And my goal was for them to have some like really fun practice that wasn't your everyday manipulatives that we all have in our rooms, that wasn't the same old. Like the game I played was Bust the Piggy Bank, and so you literally have to take your mouse and click on the little piggy bank with the hammer until he explodes, and then you sort your coins. So fun. It was funny. I was laughing. My husband's like, "What in the world are you doing?" Anyway, it was a fun time, and I really loved that you could search for your content standards. So, what an easy thing to integrate into our lesson plans to hit those benchmarks. And it was fun and free. Um, it does have a paid version, but you wouldn't need it. Everything you need is on that free version. Maybe some of, like, they have like an exclusive like work page thing, but come on. We all know where to get our work pages from. So I think my goal was met with that website, for them to have some fun, different practices. And it was just really cool. So I hope you enjoy it.